we are going to learn how to write the letters F to J, children. So let us start. Now look carefully, all of you. Now how we are going to write? Yes, take a small curve and a standing line. Okay? Take a small curve and a standing line. Now draw a sleeping line. Next, F. Okay? Small curve and standing line. Then one more sleeping line. Here we are lifting the pen. Okay, children? Here we are lifting the pencil to draw the sleeping line. Next, G. Take a small left curve. Go up. Again, standing line and draw a small curve, children. Now here you are not going to lift the pencil. See, a small curve. Go up. Again go down and draw a small curve, right? This is G. Now H, standing line, go up half a way and draw a curve. H. Got it? Again G, H, you are not lifting the pencil. I. One small standing line. Now lift and put a dot over I. Okay, standing line. J. Again, one small standing line and take a curve, small curve. Now again a dot. So in this F we are lifting the pencil, I and J we are lifting. G, H we are not lifting the pencil. In the previous line, that is A, B, C, D, E, we did not lift the pencil, children. Yes. So follow the same thing. Now let us see how to write in the lines. So as I said, most of the small alphabets fall in the second and third line, children. Few of them fall in the first line and few of them go until the fourth line. Okay, so let us see now how to write the letter F. So F, I am beginning from the first line, children. Now see, take a small curve on the red line and go down until the third line. Okay, straight in this way. And now one sleeping line on the second line, children. This is F. What is this? F. See, again let us see. Take a small curve and standing line until the third line. Okay. Now a sleeping line on the second line. Small sleeping line is enough. Okay. This is F. Practice well, children. See, small curve on the first line and standing line until the third line, children. And sleeping line on the second line. This is F. Okay. Again, small curve and standing line until third line and sleeping line on the second line. F. Okay, see one more time. Take a small curve and standing line until third line and a sleeping line on the second line, children. So this was your letter F. Now let us write G. G, where we are going to begin? On the second line. Okay. See, I am taking a small curve, left curve. Then I go up until second line. Again I come down to the fourth line and draw a curve, children. Right? This is G. See, again let us write. Second line, draw a small curve and I go until the starting point. Again a straight line, go to the fourth line and I take a small curve. This is G. I did not lift my pen. See, take a small curve, go to starting point, straight, go down until the fourth line and draw a small curve. That's it. This is G. Next. See again. See, children. Second line, draw a curve. Go up to the second line again and come down to the fourth line and draw a curve. See, this is G. Okay, next again. Second line, drawing a small left curve, going back to the starting point, coming down to the fourth line and draw a small curve, children. Okay, this is the letter G. Okay, next again, see. Now standing line for H letter, we are going to begin again from first line, children. See, remember the lines properly. See, from first line to third line, standing line, and again I go back to the second line. See, I'm not lifting the pencil, and from second line I'm drawing a curve until third line. That's it. This is the letter H. Okay, see, again let us see. First line to third line, I draw a standing line, again go back to second line. From there, I draw a curve until third line, children. This is H. And I did not lift my pen. See. Standing line, go back to second line, draw a curve. This is letter H. Okay. See, from first line to third line, standing line. Again, go back to second line and draw a curve until third line, children. This is the letter H. And don't lift your pencils. See, go back to second and draw a curve. That's it. This is the letter H. Follows the same thing in your classwork book, children. See how I am writing, in the same way you are going to write. Now letter I. We are going to start on the second line. Draw a standing line until third line. That's it. Okay. One standing line and put a dot over it. That's it, children. This is letter I. Again, see. Standing line from second to third line and a dot over it. I. This is I. This is very easy, okay? See, I. Only just between second and third line, one standing line and a dot over it. This is the letter I. Okay? Yes. Now letter J, children. In the same way like I, we are going to write the letter J. From second line I start and I go down until the fourth line and draw a small curve. Okay? And then I put a dot over it. This is J. Small j. Okay? Again, see. From second line I am starting and I go down to the fourth line and put a dot over it. Yes, again children, see. Start from the second line, go to the fourth line and small curve you take, then write a dot. Put a dot over J. Okay, see. One standing line and a small curve on a fourth line and a dot over the standing line. This is J. See. J. Okay. All of you understood how to write? See, again, let us see, children. See. From first line to third line, I took a small curve on the first line and continued it with a standing line until third line. And on the second line, a sleeping line. This is F. And now a second line to third line, a curve. And I go back to the starting point and go down to the fourth line and draw a curve, children. This is G. Then from first line to third line, I come back. Then go back to second line and draw a curve until third line. This is H. Now I. Second line to third line, one standing line and dot over it. This is I. Then again J. Second line to fourth line and draw a curve, children. and dot over it. This is J. Okay, remember well and write neatly and write 3 pages F to J and 1 page A to Z. Children, have a good day. Bye bye.